Amir Sahab of Chittagong has sent this question. He says, Huzur, many people accept Ahmadiyyah here, but we don't see a big change in them. Is it because of their financial condition? This is his question.
I don't know. It all depends on who converts somebody. He must exert his personal good example, his personal good influence over the person, and he should become like the person who converted him. I remember that Muslim used to say that when I meet a new Ahmadi, or Ahmadi recent Ahmadi, not exactly new but for some time, who got converted from non-Ahmadis to Ahmadi, I also know who converted him, from his behavior, his conduct, etc. Because those who convert, they have their imprint on him, and their habits and things are just like him. If the person who preached to him was a very stingy person and didn't spend money for the sake of Jamaat, his convertees would be exactly the same. They wouldn't offer him fancy sacrifices. So, as Muslim was a very intelligent person, and he understood immediately who had converted the person. So, in that case, I can well imagine who converted those Ahmadis. Please.